Hi traders, hope you are well. This is not a full market update. This is a coaching session for gold on steroids. For those who have the gold on steroids, then you will have the settings and the setting updates which have been sent into the Get Funded group. The Get Funded group is for people who have the gold on steroids or the Advanced Pro charts, which includes the gold on steroids. It doesn't include the reversal charts. But okay, so one thing you should be looking for: all red, sell; all green, buy. Remember that is the whole theme of the tradingmentors.com across the board. So we can see that there's weakness here on the left on the 15-minute chart. The price has a big fat beautiful sell signal at 2:15 Asian session, and then another one here at 8:15. So you're trading the London session, then you would have got in there very nicely. You don't have to be just trading the London session. You can come into New York, and then you can come into the 5-minute chart. And the key here for you is, these are all special settings of course, what you want to be waiting for during a downtrend, you want to be waiting for this to go green, because that's consolidation. And then when it goes red, then you're going to sell it, sell it, sell it, and then sell it. Now of course the consolidation could go sideways for a while, but then you get a sell and then everything is red. You get another pullback, so that's the green version. Everything goes green, so this is consolidation, so you don't want to be short here. This down to here is about 300 pips, and then consolidates. You get a buy signal, but then you get a quick sell signal on the gold on steroids, and then all the sellers come in. The key to this is to make sure that on the left, the 15-minute chart, everything is red and all the sellers are in. Once you get that, then of course you know exactly which direction you want to go. You want to make sure that the price and the candles are red, and the stronger the direction, the stronger the trend, the less wicks you're going to get on the top of those. Okay, so if there's no wicks, then all the sellers are definitely in and they're selling off. You can see there's a few wicks appearing now, so that indicates that possibly a bit of reversal, but it's gone a long way. If you held on from this morning, London Open, on the sell signal, you're talking about 2,259 pips. Probably the biggest move that you might have ever seen. So just remember, look out for those. Depending on what style you want to use, the 15-minute charts, sell signals or buy signals, or you want to come into the 5-minute, doesn't matter. It's your choice. It's totally up to you. You can choose whatever session you want to trade.